Question 1. Dan, Eddie and Fan shared some cards in the ratio 1:3:2. Fan gave a quarter of a cards to Dan and Eddie in the ratio of 2:1. As a result, Fan had 5 more cards than Dan. How many cards did Eddie have in the end? Given that this is a ratio question, usually we will be using the ratio table. However, for this question, it will be easier for us to use a model. It will be much easier to visualize. So let's draw out the model comparing Dan, Eddie, and Fan. The ratio is 1:3:2. After that, it mentioned Fan gave a quarter of a cards to Dan and Eddie. She's going to give away a quarter of a cards. It'll be much easier if we cut it into 2 each so that we have 4. So if we cut each unit into 2, we must do the same for the rest. Okay, and a quarter, which is this unit, she's going to give this 1 unit, a quarter to Dan and Eddie in the ratio of 3:1. Therefore, imagine before Fan gave out this 1 unit, she decided to partition it into 3 parts. So for example, she's going to do this. She's going to partition this into 3 parts. Therefore, out of these 3, she's going to give Dan 2 units and Eddie 1. Again, if we cut this into 3, the rest we must also do the same, right? But instead of cutting each one into 3, it'll be very messy. So I'm just going to write the number of units inside so that it's much easier to see. Okay? And she's going to give this 2 units to Dan and 1 unit to Eddie. So I'm going to start shifting it. This 3 units is going to move away. 2 units is going to move here, 2 units here, and 1 unit here. Then we can delete. This is the final ratio. And given that Fan had 5 more cards than Dan in the end, look over here, Fan had 9 units, Dan had 8 units. Therefore, we can conclude that 1 unit is equal to 5. From here, moving on, how many cards did Eddie have in the end? So Eddie had 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19 units. Number of cards Eddie had in the end. 5 times 19, which is 20 times 5, 100 minus 5, 95.